recording from beautiful Galway. I have very few hours of good weather, maybe 3 or 4, and I'm here in South Hill where there is a swimming board. What I'm trying to do is to obviously get an exposure. I have a Cinestill D, so I'm using a new function on this Canon Eos 1V called DEP, so you can basically focus on the closest point and then the furthest point, and camera will get the correct focusing. This is for you, it says is 7.1. We will see. I want to have details in the sky, details in the shadow area. What's happening? Yeah, it's perfect. At f11, shutter speed will be 1/30th of a second. With stand stop, it gives me exactly 1 minute and 23 seconds. And what happens is, I'm just going to remove the polarizing. And all we need is the remote control. And away we go. 1 minute and 23 seconds. I have 10 locations that I want to photograph, but I don't know if I'm going to get that. As you can see, my background is also some kind of a frame into frame. I'm very pleased with that. And yeah, 23 seconds left. That's it, 123 seconds. That's perfect. What happens now is we'll continue later on. So I moved a little bit closer now. Yeah, now I'm at 105, and I just want to show you what I see through my camera. This is the composition that I decided. Now I only have the pier itself, but just to be on the safe side, I'm just going to get the light meter, metering something that is middle gray. So focus is on, bulb mode on, f11, and away we go. The clouds are coming. I think 2 shots per subject is a luxury. 1 minute and 23, that's it. It's done. Let's stop it. Basically, the sun is up now. It's absolutely amazing day. Wow! But for a few hours, at around, it's almost 12 o'clock. Around 3-4 it will start rain again. Doesn't look like, you will be surprised, but actually it does. Let me just frame quickly a composition. Anyway, I'm still with film with the Cinestill. I like this depth of field function that I get. It must have been from a different setting. There's a technical problem. So it says f5. Oh my god, what the hell did I meter then? Oh man, I ruined that photo. I must have ruined it. Anyway, f5. Who shoots landscape at f5? Probably we'll get a light meter. There's barely any contrast in the scene. No, it says f11, 1/40th of a second. I think I messed up the previous exposure. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Go. There is an absolutely beautiful pier that I keep telling you about. I hope I'll find it. I was talking to a random citizen and he told me it's around 5 miles down the road. Don't know who uses miles here anyway, but yeah, I'm sure I'll find it. I'll put the drone up, I'll find it. We have to. Yeah. So that's it from this beautiful location. First time there is some sort of an error with the software, so now I have to download from nowhere 412 megabytes of information. Needs to download next to the Derura Woods with a slow speed. Anyway, 9 minutes left. While I'm waiting for the software to download, I was thinking maybe let's shoot this scene that we have in front of us. So I get my polarizer and I have my 10-stop ND filter. Here we have this lake. Absolutely, this is Lake Corrib. Absolutely pristine weather condition. No wind, no rain. We are still looking for that mysterious, mysterious elusive pier. Everything comes into place here. Rule of thirds, polarizing filters, ND grads. Do I need to use an ND grad to tame the horizon line? No. Why? Because this film has so much latitude that you're never going to blow out the highlights. This scene has probably 3-4 stops of light. It would have been better with a color positive. I don't have that, so I'm just using what I have, and I'm happy. Done. We go back now. I would say finally it worked. Okay, home point updated. It's not that ideal, but we'll go. And we go. That's good. Guys, you won't believe it, I found it. I found it! What are those? Yes, here, the Wellingtons. Let me take the Dr. Martens. It's over there. You see it? Through the branches. Yeah, still miles away. There she is. Alright. No, the lake is deep. I have to be there. Wow. I'm in a very deep water. Hold on a second. Let me see how deep is that. Is it deeper than my boot? Oh God. I hope to find the composition. Because nobody cares about your adventures. They just want to see the photo and it's like, yeah, I don't really like this. Water is too smooth. That's exactly what I'm going to do. F15, F16, 1/30th of a second. That's it. And it's done. There you go. This is what I have composed. I have it here. Trusty digital camera. This is my Sony A7CII with the 28-200. That's all you need. And this is what I'm composing at the moment. You can see it here, you can see it through the viewfinder, and you can see it in front of you. Absolutely amazing. I am doing digital as well, simply because I took the last 2 exposures from the Cinestill film with this composition, and I don't know, I'm afraid that something may happen in the developing process. Let me see, I have 1, 2, 3, yeah, only 3 photos. Yeah, I'm getting better. I don't want to take hundreds of them, because you're not going to end up having this on all your walls. You know, you're not going to have the same old pier everywhere in the house. There are still a few more places that I have in mind to photograph, but we'll see if the weather permits. Absolutely gorgeous. I found another composition at the top of this hill. We have this gorge in front of us, because I want to do a long exposure. I don't know of what. I think I like how those hills, they create some layers. Yeah. Get the light meter. 1/40 of a second. It's a very low contrast scene, but f16. This is what I have composed through the viewfinder, and it's just something very minimalistic. I need my 10-handed stop. I forgot the remote control. That's it. First shot taken, and it's done. It's done. This is a new film, Ektar.